Hello everyone, and welcome to the ShamPayne channel. Today we will be attempting to follow someone else's Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Palette eyeshadow tutorial. Got the beautiful palette right here. And here we go. Oh, well, that's attractive. Anyway, so now we're gonna blend this into my eyeball. Also, don't know what this Luxie brush is, but I know it's a Luxie brush. So we're gonna take Cherry Wet and I guess blend it into our crease. It's really not looking like hers. That looks nothing like hers. We're failing already. That means we're not drunk enough. Blend, 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 blend. What do you guys think? Does it look like hers? I don't know. She makes it look so easy. Wait, what's she doing there? Oh no, oh no. And I'm sorry if you guys are hearing some weird noises. My dog is sleeping and he's making some strange mouth noises. Okay, so now she's taking Raspberry. Pat it, pat, 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 pat. Dimension, yeah, that's what we're adding. Sure. I'd go with we're adding another level of disaster, but dimension, sure, sure. She's only doing one eye. I'm only doing one eye. You don't need to see me struggle to do this on more than one eye, right? Mine just looks like a blob. Oh boy. And she goes across like this to give it more. Okay, that was wrong. That was way wrong. It almost looks like I know what I'm doing. Maybe? It's almost like she's pretending that, oh shoot. That was wrong. It's okay. We can fix this with more ShamPayne. More ShamPayne. Okay, oh there you go. Orange juice. And what? Sorry. I've made a mess of myself again. Never enough ShamPayne. And I definitely went up too high here. Oh boy, that tickles. How does she do that so confidently? Oh, that feels bad. Feels bad, man. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work at all. A painterly paint pot? I don't think that's that safe to get close to your eye though. Oh no, I touched my eyeball. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Whatever, I don't need to see anymore. It's kind of a scary look there to have one eye so bright and the other eye just completely naked. It looks pretty bad, just not quite terrible. So here's hers, beautiful job. And here's mine, it's looks about like a 3-year-old did it. That's what it's gonna be. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for joining me.